So this is the area where nobody knows his real name. Newman from Jurassic Park met his demise at night when it was raining. I think he was in a car, if I remember correctly.
Yes.
And it was right here when they filmed Jurassic Park.
Let's see the container.
We are going to Manoa Falls, and apparently there used to be an aviary here, and a bunch of cockatoos escaped during a hurricane.
50s.
Yeah, so there are a bunch of them all over the place.
So we'll hope to spot one, and there's a scene from Jurassic Park here that we'll film.
The one where Newman died. Not really Newman.
The good one. The
nobody
one where
nobody knows his real name of his character. He's known as Newman from Seinfeld. But...
Have you ever seen a flower on a hot dog?
Nope.
Let the hiking begin. Yeah.
Oh, you want to? Oh. So this is the area where nobody knows his real name. Newman from Jurassic Park met his demise at night when it was raining. I think he was in a car, if I remember correctly.
Yes.
And it was right here when they filmed Jurassic Park.
Let's see the container. It's all slightly uphill. So prepared to walk up, and then down. It's very rocky.
Yeah.
But it's fine in flip-flops. So there actually are trash cans along this trail if you bring something in. And obviously don't litter here because it's paradise. So going down is a little more slippery, but I'm doing it in flip-flops and it's fine. It's also not as muddy as they say if you just avoid the areas that have mud on them. I'll show you my feet. They're not muddy at all, even though it's raining. There are a lot of mosquitoes, so I do recommend mosquito spray. If you're walking fast, they're not going to bite you, but if you're, you know, stuck in line following someone, or if you sit down for a second, they eat you. And here's Isaac with my Stranger Planet umbrella. Are you a being, Isaac? That's awesome. Okay, it does get a little muddier, and even if you're careful, there's some mud on your feet. But I still am glad I wore flip-flops, so I don't want my sneakers dirty. And they do have a hose for dirty feet and dirty shoes.
We're mostly good.
So we didn't end up going to the Lyon Arboretum, but we did go to the visitor center and we bought this shirt that says I survived Manoa Falls, and you know, you survived the mist, the mud, and the mosquitoes. The shirts, It wasn't that bad, but I like buying these shirts because, well, it's a nice memory, but also it helps support the university. Just the Lyon Arboretum is owned by a university of Hawaii, and if you buy the shirt for $16, you help fund their research. And you can just go up when you go down just past the trail end and turn right. You go up to the Arboretum. You can also drive up to the visitor center if you want to buy this shirt and find out more about the walk there. We didn't end up going in because, why, Isaac?
We're lazy.
And it was rainy.
It was pouring.
He said we had to like spend an hour and a half there. Well, not had to, but that it takes an hour and a half, and it was rainy and it was muddy, and we just bleh. So yeah, we survived the Manoa Falls, but we did not survive the Arboretum because we didn't dare to enter. Make sure to time your hike well. We got here at 8.
Yeah, 8:30 maybe.
And we did not wait in line at all. There was one car in front of us. Now there's a lot of cars.
Oh, I wonder how far this goes.
Uh-oh. I am Olena. This is Isaac. And we are the TravelBugBite. We met in Prague, Czech Republic.
Lived in Shanghai, China.
New York and Rhode Island, USA.
And now we live in Hawaii.
We've traveled from Tibet to Puerto Rico.
Harbin to PP.
And drove cross country with Smiley in our Tesla Model 3.
Subscribe to follow our adventures. If you liked our video, don't forget to click the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. Check out our videos from all around the world and let us know what you'd like to see next.
Thanks for watching!